Alaya Verde's latest nature update. This is our latest Joey here, and he's just getting accustomed to gravity, having a bit of fun with his mama. We hope to send you little movies of the goings on around here that we enjoy. This is out in front of our organic B&B. Just recorded over the top of the lap pool.
Big boy over here. Here he is.
This is our new kind of alpha male on the block.
Mm-hmm.
The one before this was around for about 16 years and came back here to die. And this is very funny.
I think I've seen that baby before.
And then they bounce back into the pouch when they get scared by something, even if they've scared themselves. I love the look on that mother's face. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll be posting a few of these to share with your friends and children. I hope you enjoyed.
From the pouch. Beautiful.